Um, so is there anything else that you think that our students should be aware of or our parents should be aware of about this program and about the university?
There's obviously a very big list of things I could talk about. I think the most important things that I've heard from new students or students interested studying in Australia is what's the experience like moving across the world? It seems very daunting, but I assure you, there's so much adrenaline involved, and you're going to be just having such a good time here, and you're going to experience this beautiful country. All that stuff, all those stresses will just like wash away. So don't worry about, I know it's a big step, especially if you're coming straight out of high school like I was, going to dental school across the world. It might seem like, oh, that just seems like so scary and so daunting, but you'll be absolutely fine. Another thing for the parents, a lot of people don't talk about this, but of course, finances are a thing. Dentistry is not cheap, especially as an international student. But at the end of the day, think of it as an investment. Education is one of the best investments you can make in yourself. And even though it's upwards of a few hundred thousands of Canadian dollars, every penny that you're spending, you're getting 10 times the return back for the clinical experience you're getting, the experience of living in a different country, the life experiences as well, living on your own and maturing and developing yourself as a person. So these are all things to consider. So just don't stress, focus on getting in if you are interested in pursuing dentistry, and the rest will fall into place and you'll have an amazing experience.